Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes vegetarian. Making delicious vegetarian pancakes is simpler than you might think, primarily involving smart substitutions for animal products. We'll focus on replacing ingredients like eggs and dairy milk with readily available plant-based alternatives. This approach ensures your pancakes are not only vegetarian, but also incredibly tasty and satisfying for everyone. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine with these easy adjustments and enjoy a wonderful meal. Eggs are a common ingredient, but they are easily replaced in vegetarian pancake recipes. A popular choice is a flax egg, made by combining 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water, then letting it sit for about 5 minutes to thicken. You can also use mashed ripe bananas, about 1/2 of a medium banana per egg, or even unsweetened applesauce. These alternatives bind the ingredients and add moisture, ensuring your pancakes remain light and fluffy. Dairy milk is another ingredient that is simple to swap out for a vegetarian version. There are many excellent plant-based milks available, such as almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, or even rice milk. Most of these can be used in a 1-to-1 ratio with regular dairy milk in your favorite pancake recipe. Opt for unsweetened varieties to maintain control over the overall sweetness of your pancakes, allowing other flavors to shine through beautifully. This simple change makes a big difference. To achieve truly perfect vegetarian pancakes, a few key techniques are essential. First, avoid overmixing your batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and contribute to a lighter texture. Second, let your batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the flour to fully hydrate. Finally, cook your pancakes on a medium-hot griddle using about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake until golden brown on both sides. Enjoy your fluffy, delicious vegetarian breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.